folks. This is Wesley, billion dollar virgin. Check it out. So what you're looking at right now is my YouTube channel, right? And I know you're looking at me. Check it out. Imagine watching a video just like this. Listen, watching a video just like this and getting paid $3 every time you watch it. Now, I know that sounds crazy, but check this out. Now, listen, before you sub to the channel and like it, let me show you some proof here. Like this. If I go to youtube.com, and this is just basically how to make $3 per YouTube video here. Say if you want to watch a video like cats, okay? You search cats, you click on the video, and then when you watch
dude, you didn't pay the rent
video, you get paid. Say if you're a person that likes the NBA, okay? Say if you like the NBA, smash the like button if you like the NBA, right? Boom. If you watch that video right there, they're going to pay you $3 here. Say if you're a person that's a gamer, for my teenagers. If you watch this video, according to the site that I'm going to show you undeniable proof here, boom, that's some more money.
All right,
here.
so I haven't done
this. The great thing about this is that it's worldwide and anybody can do this right now. Many of you are watching YouTube, like you're watching a YouTube video right now with me, but you're not getting paid. That's silly. That's stupid. That's not smart. So listen, this is something that's supposed to be released in 2022, but I got access to it. So I said, I'm going to break the rules. That's what I do. So I'm going to give you the site. One, I'm going to give you the technique. Two, I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do to start making the money. Three, and I'm going to give you a little hack so you can make more money by just watching YouTube videos instead of watching my videos, right, and getting paid $0 here. So the site that you need to go to, and listen, guys, if you don't mind, can you sub to the channel? I mean, show me some love, right? If you love, like, come on, I would dance for you. Sub and like the video. Let's go! And let me feel that energy. Hello, listen, if you broke, you need to raise your vibration. Where is your energy? That's why you're so broke, because you're so depressed and down. Open your mouth, comment below. Let's go! Like this. Listen, this is the site, ggt2u.org, okay? Trust me, many people don't know about this site. I'm going to tell you why. But the crazy part about this is they're going to pay you for taking surveys, playing games, and watching videos. Now, we don't care about surveys. Games is cool, but videos is something that we do. Like, smash the like button if you watch one video per day. So imagine watching 200 to 300 videos a day. That's $900 that this site is going to send to you. PayPal, bank transfer, they'll pay you in crypto, however you want to receive your cash, they'll do it. So check it out. Let's do it together. And they're going to give you $1 bonus here. So I'm going to put Wes, and we're going to put my email address, which is, we'll say, I love Wes at yahoo.com, right? So here we go here, username, like Wes, now, you know what I mean, whatever, password, we just make up a password. Look at this. It's in every country here. Smash the like button if you enjoy these worldwide. This is worldwide here. See, I'm thinking about you, big head, because I know some of you are outside of America. So smash the like button because I'm thinking about you. This is worldwide. And just stay with me here. So once you do that, United States. Now, listen, let me give you a hack. Now, I'm going to give you this hack. All I ask you to do is smash the like button. I have a friend. He's like 25 years old. So what he does, he like that $1 bonus. So what he does every single day, he creates 100 accounts. Because they're going to give you a free $1. You don't believe me? Watch this. I'm going to hit this, say password here. Once you log into the site, just for logging in, it's crazy, right? They're going to give you $1 just for creating a freaking account here. It's a little bit slow, but let's give it a little second here. And the great thing about it, you're going to click to continue this, scroll down. I'm done with this page here. And as you can see here, see, look at $1, right? So listen, this is a hack. You create 100 accounts a day. That's $100 every single day, inclusive of the $3 you're going to make every single day. Now listen, does that make sense? Smash the like button since I gave you that hack. All you need is a new email address and just sign up. You can send it to the same PayPal account. Doesn't matter. And you get paid over and over again. So listen, now this is important. So make sure you pay close attention to this to make sure you get that 900 bucks a day, because I'm gonna go ahead and say you probably watching 100 videos a day, so just watch 200 more, because many of you are just at home, you at work, whatever you can do is in part-time, doesn't matter. You can do this at work and let these videos play. So scroll down here. Now for my gamers, you can check this out, but I'm into videos because I like easy money. If you like easy money, smash the like button. I don't want hard money. I want easy money all day, and it's very possible. Hit videos here, see how simple that is. And see, if you look here, they're going to pay you $3 here every single, $1 to $3 every single video here. That's it, right? And here are the videos. So you can laugh. You want to laugh? Ha 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 ha! Hoo 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 hoo! They're going to pay you. You could be a gamer. You could be a movie buzz. It doesn't matter here. These sites here, when you click on a button, let's go to one of the sites here. I'm going to click on this, open that up. As you can see, boom, it opens up like this. Don't show it again. And you can either use Chrome, Safari to do this. And look, if you just watch the video. And the great thing about this, listen up. This is the best part. You can just load all these videos all at one time and let them play in the background, okay? I got another friend. It's insane, right? He's like 29 years old. He left his job, and he has like 5 computers, and he opens all these videos up. He really does. And he does, it's $1,500 a day. Does $45,000 a month doing this. He just got a lot of laptops. He got a lot of phones and iPads, and he just runs these videos all day. That's all he does, like all day, every day. How many of you can do this? Like, you can just watch this girl doing this. They're going to pay you. And the great thing, they'll pay you to PayPal, bank transfer. They'll pay you in crypto, TransferWise. So anybody can get the money. So listen, you can do it. Now, check it out. A lot of you might say, okay, Weston, I can do this. I like this. As a matter of fact, in the comment below, I'm going to say, hey, I like this. I'm going to try it. And I'm going to sub to your channel, Wes, because you're a crazy guy, but I like it. But listen, check this out. I know there's a lot of you right now to say, Weston, is it an easier way? Right? Can you do this for me? Listen, a year ago, I started a group. They paid me $1,000 to do stuff like this, because you got some older people that just don't understand the internet. And you got some younger people that have tried everything and have never made any money. So this is what I'm going to do. You don't have to pay me $1,000. As a matter of fact, not even $500 or even $99. This is what I'm going to do for 10 people and 10 people only that are serious and want me to do it for them. If you look in the description below, and I'm going to give you access to a software that's unbelievable. Everything that you just saw, imagine it doing it on autopilot by clicking a button using artificial intelligence, okay? So listen, for the first 10 people, you're going to have exactly what I just did. I'm going to do it for you via this software for $17. I know that sounds crazy. I know some of you say, oh, where's that link? Well, it's in the description under the video. Click the link. The first 10 people that get involved, I get an email once you get it for $17. Basically, I'm going to do everything what you just saw for you. So you're just guaranteed to make money. And listen, this is just a one-in-a-lifetime opportunity, right? 17 is crazy, right? I don't even get up for like $10,000, but there's a lot of people on the internet, and a lot of you are not making money. So for the first 10 people, listen, if you're number 11, you're too late. If you try to click that link below and it says $1,000, you're just too late. It's all good. 10 people per month based off this video being on YouTube. I'm going to do it for you. You just basically just click the link, get it for $17. That's all what it is. And you're going to basically have me and my team do everything we just seen for you, so you can see more money basically in your little account here, right? So instead of saying $1, imagine saying $200, $300, very simply. So much love. That's it. I love you guys. Sub to the channel. I can't wait to see you tomorrow. Smash the like. Remember, go to the description below. First 10 people that really need help, they got $17 in your pocket. I'm going to make magic happen. I'm going to blow your mind. 10 people. If you're number 11, you're too late. It's up to you. This is Wesley. $1 billion version. Motivated. Dedicated. Let's go.